The core support is about to come out. I had to remove those two plastic pieces I was talking about because this whole center part of the core support is going to have to be taken out. So as I said, this was just 2 screws and a grommet. We got those 2 plastic pieces there. Plastic, nothing else has come off yet. Alright, if you look here, we got some stuff connected here and here. This core support has the plastic connected to it. I'm going to pull the plastic out with it probably. I might just take it loose because it's only held on right there. It still may be in the way anyways. So what I'm doing is I've already there's 4 bolts here. 1, 2, and then on the other side 1, 2. Yeah, this bolt here on the passenger side or your left side if you're in front of the vehicle is the only one I couldn't get to with the impact gun. I spun the other 3 off with the impact gun. This one I had to use ratchet to break it loose and then use my fingers to get it out, or you can use a ratcheting wrench. It's a 12 millimeter. And then here I started to break these loose here, get this core support out, loosened, and keep the centerpiece along with it. But I'm just going to separate the whole thing and pull it all out at once. I'm going to pull these sensors off, most likely just pull this entire thing loose. The only thing that's holding this on is because it's welded to this piece here that connects to the latch. So if you look, there's this piece here that's I'm trying to see if I'm seeing it on camera here. So this piece here that I'm pointing to has to be separated from the latch here. There's a horn hooked up, we got some wiring and whatnot, but I want to just pull this off and set it off to the side without breaking this latch loose and everything else. So I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to start by taking those 2 bolts out at the bottom. That seems like the quickest way. I'll update you in the next video.